To get started on making data packs, go to the link in the description below and download Visual Studio Code for your operating system. Once you have Visual Studio Code installed, you need to make a new Minecraft world. Set it to creative and allow commands on. Name it whatever you want. Select Create New World. Next we need to leave the world, then select the world, press Edit and open World folder. Once here you can click on this bar and press Ctrl C to copy. Next you want to open Visual Studio Code, go to File, Open Folder and Paste. Next you want to go into Data Packs, then press New Folder and name it whatever you want your data pack to be called. First thing we need to do is make a new file called pack.mcmeta. First what we need to write in this file is open curly bracket, press enter, then type quotation mark, pack, quotation mark, colon, and another open curly bracket and press enter on that. Next you need to put description in quotes, and then a colon, and you put whatever you want in this description. Put a comma after this, and then in quotations again, type pack_format. Put a colon. Next go to the second link in the description and scroll down until you find your current version. I'm on 1.21.5, so my pack format is 71. Copy and paste that into Visual Studio Code. The pack.mcmeta file is now done. Next what you need to do is make a new folder called data. Next, what you need to do is make a new folder. This will be your namespace. Name it whatever you want. In this new folder, we need to make another folder called function. Next, we can make a file. I will just call it hello.mcfunction. Make sure all of your function files end in .mcfunction. Next, I will write a command that will just say hello in the chat. And now we've got our first function, so you can open up Minecraft and load up the world. And now we should be able to write /function tutorial hello. And now it says hello in the chat. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!